These are really exciting. Made of stoneware. You don't get one of these, you get two of these. We've got all of your favorite floral lace and old world colors. But the most important question I can ask you tonight is, do you know the muffin pan? And do you know how much you can do in the muffin pan? How many individual portions you can create? And how many creative things you can do for your family? This is really exciting. It is brand new today. One of our 5 brand new items in the show tonight, and Tara Tescher, who brings us all things Temp-tations, is joining us now live via Skype to tell us more about this. She might also be giving you an early preview of some character aprons coming up a little later in the show. I see you are all decked out for the holidays, Miss Tara.
I am, David, and I have to tell you, the 6-cup muffin pans are phenomenal for all of those baked goods, for all of those things we want to do, individual portions. And I love the fact that you're getting 2 different bakers, because what's nice about that is if you want to do something hot, you have 6 that you can do in here. If you want to do something cold, you have 6 great cups that you can do in here. Standard size, but our great stoneware. So a lot of times it's metal. You can't control the heat. It buckles in the oven. Things burn around the edges. With Temp-tations, heat hugs your food. That's why true baking pieces, whether it be a cake plate, whether it be a 6-cup muffin, are always so popular in our stoneware.
Now, Tara, these are going to ship out on October the 4th, and we should point out that we've got color choices and pattern choices. Now, I'm going to come around the side here and remind you that we've got some great ones, and what we'll do is we'll start back here if we can, Ray, and we'll work our way up the table and then back down the table. Now, here is your floral lace, and this is the taupe in floral lace. 850 there. Your inky cobalt blue, Tara, always the most popular in floral lace. Only about 680 of these to go around. Here it is in the cranberry. Remember, you're getting 2 of whatever color you order, 280. Tara collects the confetti. This is Old World. 677 to be precise. Then I've got it for you in the blue, 280. Here it is in the taupe Old World, 550. Set of 2. Remember, you're getting 2 of whatever color you order. Here's the green, 280 in the green. Here's gray in Old World. 560 back into floral lace. We'll go to black. Black 330, the red, 280, and then finally the gray. 850 available. 100 of these are now gone, Miss Tara. Everybody's looking ahead to the holidays, and they're thinking about, oh, I don't know, 12 cupcakes, 12 cornbread muffins. This is a set of 2, so everything you do is times 2, right?
You're absolutely right, David. So think of that traditional 12-cup muffin pan, but now you have 2 separate baking pieces. So you can do your mac and cheese in one if you wanted to. You could do a different side dish in the other one. In front of me, we actually did a beautiful breakfast where we did our little frittatas. So again, 3 frittatas. And then look at this. We did a little hash brown nest, David. So this is the perfect breakfast, right? You have your protein, you have your little carb, but come back up here because you get 2. I didn't think it would hurt your feelings if I made you some cinnamon buns, and love the fact that I can pull them right out. They're naturally nonstick, so ooey gooey cinnamon buns, nothing. You always can bake it perfectly. It pops right out. There is nothing you can't do in these muffin pans. And look at that. I pulled it right out of the center. And again, ooey gooey, and it can cool right inside here too. I can actually ice them, David, while they sit here and cool.
Well, I'll take your cinnamon muffins and raise you mini meatloaves.
Oh, okay.
Look at these mini meatloaves, piped with mashed potatoes and seasonings.
Love.
We'll take these back over here, put them down. I'll show you also, 300 of these are now gone. Look at this. Cornbread muffins come out as pretty as you please. Gorgeous now individual muffins for your autumn chili. Happy first day of autumn, Tara Tescher.
Yes, I'm falling for you, my friend.
Oh,
see what I did there? Oh, boy, we're here all week, kids.
Exactly. Tip your waiters and bartenders. All right.
Exactly. We actually did some blueberry muffins. This is one of my absolute favorite things to do. Again, because it's naturally nonstick, you don't need butters or oils or any extra added fat. So coffee cake muffins, blueberry muffins, cupcakes, all of those things we look so forward to this time of year. But remember, you're going to receive 2 of these, right, so you truly can customize whether it's hot, whether it's cold, whether it's baking, or just serving.
Remember, 2, as Tara mentions, of whatever color you order, and 500 are now gone. Now, we're more limited in Old World. How many folks are on the phone line, Sean? 500 people waiting to place an order. 500 ordered, 500 more people on the phone lines. Now here's Floral Lace in the taupe. $8.30. Here it is, Floral Lace blue. Most popular, but only 550 remain. Here it is in the cranberry. $2.30 in the cranberry. Old World now in confetti. $600. Old World blue, one of our most popular colors. $2.30. Here's Old World in the taupe. $5.50. Set of 2 of the green. Just a reminder, you're getting 2 of whatever color you order. Here's green. $240. Here's the gray. $5.40. Back into Floral Lace. I've got black. $2.90. Here's the red. $200. And finally the gray. $820. Now 700 are gone, Tara. We are very, very busy. Lots of folks are excited about these. We're shipping these out on October the 4th. Now that's actually less than about 2 weeks away, right?
I love that, David. You'll get it just in time for all of those great baked goods that we love. And look what we did in front of you. We did like a little taco bar. We did like little taco cups. And then we also did kind of like all the fixins that you could want to put on them. Even if you were doing like a baked potato bar, a taco bar, all of those great things. Look how that coordinates. Everything has a place and you can chill that. So the onions, the sour cream, the cheese, prepare it ahead of time. Bring that out to the table nice and cold. Put those taco cups, bake them right in the oven. Everything's going to pull right out. This is like your muffin pan reimagined, right? You don't have to just think about baked goods in this. It's so much more. And think about portion control. I love the little Jello desserts we did there.
Right.
So hot things hotter longer, cold things colder longer. It's awesome.
Everything is now ×2. You get 6 in one and 6 in the other for a total of 12. Tonight you're getting all this for $38 and 3 easy payments, and over 1,000 are gone with still 500 people waiting to place an order. Actually now 600 people waiting to get through. Please utilize QVC.com and your mobile apps. And don't dare hang up. We'll get your order and get your color out to you on the week of October 4th, which is now less than 2 weeks away. Tara, that gorgeous and adorable apron is only one of 4 choices. You'll be bringing us a little later.
You're right. All of our characters are in the house tonight.
Exactly. Wembley is his name.
He's there. He's
Wembley, the reindeer. Wembley.
Yeah.
Having a little. I had a brain freeze on that earlier. All right. We're going to wrap up here.